So it's
I have curves in here.
I know. I was gonna tell you.
You just started narrating. And I like have these in my hair.
It'll be fine.
Mom, Dad, this is when you cut this out.
She's mad.
Blooper! Boop!
You want to take curls out of your hair, or are we just gonna?
Hey, so the way this should work is, hey Ash, I've turned on the GoPro. Probably best to take your hair out of the ponies.
You just
Not that
look,
it's any helper.
Princess Leia, you know. You're like.
Yeah. No.
That's not.
Yeah. Well, it's not like anything happened. They haven't been in long enough to actually
Make a difference.
Yeah, and I don't have a hair dryer. Lean, I know. So worried I'm gonna lean right out of this thing. Stuck in here.
Pillows?
Nope.
No, could you imagine living like this?
On a
This was
board
your bed.
felt.
Iron
Like,
bunk bed.
that's a Marine Corps blanket right there.
I heard there's cracks in there. Will bats hurt you?
Either walk or don't. No, they'll fly at your face though.
Wait, what was that in that corner?
Probably a cockroach or a rat.
No, it was just. Can I go out of here?
So that's the vent hole that they would drop scorpions and snakes in.
Jeez, it's.
I would just.
It's awesome. I would just say, I give up. Can you
Nope.
put me in a different cell, please?
No, you just need to behave yourself.
This is the mountain.
Can't put any more people in there.
What was the bell used for?
it sounded the alarm, and it came all the way from San Francisco,
Oh, really?
all the way up the Colorado River.
They floated it down the river, huh?
No, on a thing. Boat.
Barge. Okay. Give me the rundown here, Luke.
Okay. Cell door. Second door to the entrance. So there's 2 doors. So if they try to escape, they can't because there's 2 doors. 3 counting the cell. So this is the cell door. Second door to the entrance door. So when you pull this guy, this one opens the first entrance door to the outside.
Ready?
Yep. You guys all hot?
I'm not hot, but
I'm very hot. Very, very
you
hot.
don't have something like it's just because it is Taco Sunday.
Taco Sunday, Ashley's favorite.
No, it's mine.
Braden's favorite.
Both have
That was sarcasm, Brayden. He was being sarcastic. Oh.
Well, just so we know, tacos are supposed to be had on Sunday.
I thought tacos were supposed to be had on Tuesday.